Creating impactful social media content requires a deep understanding of audience preferences, platform algorithms, and the latest trends to create content that resonates, engages, and converts. The process begins with thorough audience research, which helps in identifying the demographics, behaviors, interests, and pain points of your target followers. This research can be done through analytics tools, surveys, or competitor analysis. By knowing what type of content your audience consumes and interacts with, you can tailor your posts to match their expectations and provide value. Once you have clarity on your audience, the next crucial step is defining your brand voice. Whether your brand is formal, fun, educational, or inspirational, maintaining a consistent tone and messaging style across all platforms builds credibility and recognition. Consistency in voice helps establish trust with your followers and ensures they recognize your content amidst the sea of online posts. Visual appeal plays a significant role in grabbing attention on social media, where users are bombarded with countless posts every day. High-quality visuals, including photos, graphics, videos, and animations, can make your content stand out. Investing in professional photography, well-designed graphics, or engaging video content can enhance the overall aesthetics of your posts. Videos have become the dominant form of content, especially with the rise of TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, as they allow for dynamic storytelling and deeper engagement. Short-form videos work exceptionally well in capturing attention quickly, while long-form videos on platforms like YouTube and Facebook are great for providing more in-depth insights, tutorials, or narratives. Carousels and slideshows are also effective in delivering information in an engaging, swipeable format. Mixing different content types can keep your feed interesting and cater to various audience preferences, increasing the likelihood of interaction. Beyond visuals, storytelling is a powerful tool for creating emotional connections with your audience. Instead of merely promoting products or services, brands that share relatable stories tend to build stronger relationships with their followers. Storytelling can be done in various ways, whether through customer testimonials, behind-the-scenes content, brand history, or user-generated content. A compelling narrative makes content memorable and encourages engagement, as people are more likely to share stories that evoke emotions like joy, inspiration, nostalgia, or motivation. Authenticity plays a crucial role in storytelling. Audiences today appreciate real and transparent content over overly polished and scripted marketing messages. Sharing challenges, lessons, and personal experiences fosters trust and humanizes your brand, making it easier for your audience to connect with you on a deeper level. Another key aspect of impactful social media content is crafting engaging captions that complement the visuals. A strong caption should have a compelling hook that grabs attention within the first few words, as people often skim through content quickly. Captions should be clear, concise, and aligned with the intent of the post, whether it's to inform, entertain, inspire, or drive action. Calls to action, CTAs, are essential for guiding your audience on what to do next, whether it's liking a post, sharing it with friends, clicking a link, or leaving a comment. Simple yet effective CTAs like tag someone who needs to see this, drop an emoji if you agree, or click the link in bio for more details can significantly boost engagement. Encouraging interactions through questions, polls, and challenges can also increase engagement and make your content more dynamic, as audiences enjoy content that invites participation. Hashtags and keywords play an essential role in increasing the discoverability of social media content. The right hashtags can help your posts reach a broader audience beyond your existing followers. Researching and selecting a mix of trending, niche, and industry-specific hashtags can improve your content's visibility. However, it's crucial not to overuse hashtags. A focused approach with relevant hashtags is more effective than using too many. Similarly, incorporating keywords strategically in captions, descriptions, and alt text can enhance search engine optimization, SEO, making your content more likely to be found on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and even Google. This optimization is particularly important for brands looking to expand their reach and attract new audiences organically. Experimenting with different content formats is another way to keep your social media strategy fresh and engaging. Since each platform has its own content preferences, adapting your content accordingly can help maximize its effectiveness. Instagram and TikTok thrive on short, engaging videos, while LinkedIn is more suited for professional insights and long-form articles. Facebook's audience engages well with a mix of videos, images, and text posts, while Pinterest is ideal for visual inspiration, infographics, and DIY guides. Diversifying content types, such as reels, carousels, blog snippets, testimonials, and interactive content, ensures that you cater to different audience segments and increase your chances of engagement. Consistency in posting is crucial, but it's important to prioritize quality over quantity. Posting frequently is beneficial, but if the content lacks value, it can lead to disengagement or even audience fatigue. A well-planned content calendar can help maintain a steady flow of high-quality content without overwhelming your audience. Planning and batching content in advance allows for a more strategic approach, ensuring that posts align with ongoing trends, campaigns, or key events. Measuring the effectiveness of social media content is a crucial step in refining and optimizing your strategy. Regularly analyzing performance metrics such as reach, engagement, click-through rates, and conversion rates helps in understanding what works best for your audience. Most social media platforms provide analytics tools that offer insights into audience behavior, peak engagement times, and content performance. By tracking these data points, you can adjust your content strategy based on what resonates most with your followers. A/B testing different types of content, captions, and posting times can also help in identifying the most effective approaches for maximizing reach and engagement. Building a strong community is just as important as creating great content. Engaging with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and mentions fosters a sense of connection and loyalty. Encouraging user-generated content featuring audience shoutouts and actively participating in conversations around your niche can make your brand more approachable and relatable. Hosting live sessions, Q&A segments, giveaways, or interactive polls encourages two-way communication and makes followers feel more involved. Collaborations with influencers, industry experts, or brand ambassadors can further expand your reach and credibility. Introducing your content to new audiences who might be interested in your brand. Staying updated with social media trends and platform algorithm changes is essential to ensure your content remains effective. Social media is constantly evolving, with new trends, challenges, and features shaping how content is consumed. Keeping an eye on emerging trends, platform updates, and shifts in audience behavior allows you to adapt your strategy accordingly. Following industry blogs, joining online communities, and studying competitors can provide insights into the latest best practices. Implementing new features, such as Instagram's latest tools, TikTok trends, or YouTube Shorts, early on can give your content a competitive edge and improve its visibility. In conclusion, creating impactful social media content requires a blend of strategy, creativity, and adaptability. Understanding your audience, maintaining a consistent brand voice, using high-quality visuals, leveraging storytelling, and encouraging engagement are all essential components of a successful content strategy. Experimenting with different formats, optimizing for discoverability, and analyzing performance metrics can help refine your approach and drive better results. Ultimately, social media success is about providing value, building relationships, and staying authentic while evolving with the ever-changing digital landscape. By focusing on these principles, you can create content that not only captures attention, but also fosters lasting connections with your audience, leading to long-term growth and success.